Morning, no, not a breakfast wrap, but I'll take a egg BLT croissant.
Okay, you want a combo?
I'll take a combo. So we consider a bad day somebody else's good day. I still have to give thanks. That's what it is. Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Hi.
Been a while since we do a car chronicle, right? It's been a good little minute, but on our way to work right now. Place is a bit overcast.
I love it though.
Love it?
Yeah.
Prefer it overcast?
Yeah. Like yesterday it was hot.
I like my sunshine.
Yesterday was a bit hot, but I like how it is now. Yeah,
I prefer the sunshine though.
Nice cozy.
But I like it like this when you don't have to go to work. Yeah, when you're home like on a weekend or on a holiday and you just can relax and chill, cook some curry chicken and some rice. You know,
I think curry chicken and rice is a rainy day food, you know?
curry chicken and rice or soup.
Or soup.
Yeah, those I think are rainy day food. No, not curry chicken and rice, curry chicken and dumpling. That's what it is. That's what it is. Okay guys, in case you haven't remembered, we have a charity GoFundMe going right now for Nat's birthday, which is in which is a week.
Wait.
Wow.
Yes.
I have to go get a gift, babes. I have to go in at the I have to go into the cabinet now.
You have to go into the car mart now.
I want a car for your birthday.
I want a car for my birthday.
Yes, take time with me.
No, I want a car for my birthday.
Boy, ease up on me, man.
I want a car for my birthday. Don't care.
Well, that's right. Have your standards.
Of course, we have to support a car.
Have your standards, of course.
Yes.
Don't make them slow your standard, but you're not getting a car that year.
I get myself a car then. Treat myself, get a car.
In case you guys are new here or in case you guys missed it, we have a charity GoFundMe wishlist going on right now for Nat's birthday. Where all the funds that is raised will be going to one lucky subscriber who's on their Canadian journey and has a child with special needs. This is something that is very dear to us because we have a child with special needs, in case you guys have missed that, in the numerous of videos that we have done. Our daughter was our reason for making this transition, Malika Jade, who is autistic, non-verbal, and we know the challenges that exist for parents who have children with special needs or a child with special needs. So that is why we're specifically focusing this effort towards that, right? So you guys can go and check it out. The link is in the description. We always say that if you can't contribute, just share it. That's okay too. There's no limit, $1, $5, it doesn't matter. And there is no real target, but we're hoping that we can get it to at least $1,000, that we can really make a difference in somebody's life. So we are relying on you guys to support this GoFundMe. 100% of what is raised will be going to somebody, and we'll be doing it live. It might be you who is getting it, right? And this is an initiative that is very close to us, guys. So help us to support somebody on this journey, all right? Yeah, so what are you looking forward to the most for your birthday?
For my birthday, I just look forward to the gifts.
Other than the car.
The gifts. No, it's just looking forward to celebrating the day that there's ended a chapter and beginning a new one, and that that I'm grateful. Just looking forward just to
You want to put your age out there? Because I don't think they know how old you are, you know.
I'm 16.
Can you have that? No, I've prison I try something.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. It break. It's okay.
I prison I try something.
Yes, you can eat this.
Come on now.
Thank you.
So because you always look slim and trim and young, probably people think that you're younger than you actually are, but
I'm older. I'm 30. I'm gonna be 34.
That's gonna be 34 years old, guys.
No, you don't want me.
That's you can see a lot of persons are shocked.
34.
A lot of persons are shocked, man. But that's and I we're actually the same age, guys. Both of us are 34. Well, I'm 34 already. My birthday was in June. So I am what, 2.5 months older than you? So I'm still a senior. You should say Mr.
Mister.
Say what you mean.
Mister.
Yeah, but I don't know. We're just grateful for life and just health and strength and for where we are in our lives right now. And I mean, it's our journey, right? It's you against you.
Yeah.
It's not you against anybody else, right? I want you guys to know that as well. Don't try compare your life with anybody else. Everybody's journey is different. You're only competing against yourself. It's you against you, not you against anybody else. So just always remember that it's you against you, alright? And if you have made it this far in the vlog and you haven't liked the video as yet, shame on you.
Nice.
If you have made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed already, shame on you. That's all I can say.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. If you like the content, support us, guys. These are all free things you can do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button,
It's
drop a
free.
comment. It's totally free. And it supports us in such a big way that you guys have no idea. Alright, so support us, man, by just hitting the like button. Even if you're just here for a couple of minutes and you see this clip alone, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and drop a comment. And without pressuring you guys, if you want to hit share, that's okay too. You can share it so other persons can see the content and become a part of the family. We are en route to 10,000 subscribers.
Yes, we are.
Let's get there. Get in. Such an overcast day.
Yep. Well, it's gonna be cold.
You think it's gonna be cold?
It is gonna be cold. It's always cold. My heater is on.
The temperature is 11 degrees.
It's gonna be cold for me anyways.
So in case you guys are wondering what time it is, it's now 2 minutes to 8 or a minute to 8.
And I'm late.
You're not late. You should get to work at 8. We're there. We're just about there. And the temperature is 11 degrees. And it's a Friday morning. It's Friday, August 18th. Timestamp the video. We'll watch this video back after decades and be like, yo, look how they look. That's one of the good things about doing videos.
You can go back and tell.
It's like a timestamp.
Yeah. It's just capturing
Memorabilia, yeah. That's what it is. But today is August 18, 2023. It's Friday morning here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. 8 o'clock in the morning and the temperature is approximately 11 degrees.
She take off the seatbelt.
Malika, you know we're going to put you back in the car seat? Because you're a big girl now, we'll give you a blind, but you're not at work, could we? You're taking off the seatbelt, which is unacceptable.
This actually tastes good.
Tastes good?
Good.
Put on back our seatbelt for a minute, please, before you go. Say bye, say bye. Have some manners, man.
To say bye.
Have some manners, man.
Hold on. Bye, guys. Enjoy your day. Today's gonna be a good day. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
See you guys later.
Peace.
Peace.
Have a good day, babes.
You too.
Malika, set up properly. Let mom put on the seatbelt.
Come on. Sit back.
Sit back.
Don't take off. Okay, cold, man. It's cold.
Chilling.
Bad.
Oh, you put on Malia's sweater or not?
Yeah, it's on.
It's on, okay.
Later.
Later, babes. Love you. Yes, guys. So it's just me and the girls. You guys know how this is by now. Taking us to work in the morning, in the AM. Take the girls today home. That's what. Yes, Malia. Yes, Malia. Oh man, I'm outnumbered by girls, guys. I have 2 daughters and a wife. Many people is saying them they need to go and get a son, but I don't know about that. I don't know about that, guys. I think this is where it ends. This is where the buck stops. This is where the train ends. 100%. Nonetheless, guys, going to drop them off at their home. Come along, guys, show you guys what the streets is looking like this morning. Yes, guys, so I just dropped off the kids at their home and I'm on my way to work right now. Pretty chilly outside this morning, that wasn't wrong. But nonetheless, we're out here same way, going about it just, you know, thing. Not complain. So let's talk a little bit about Benson Immigration Consulting. If you guys have been following us for the past couple of videos, you guys would have known that we have a registered consultant who is partnered with DiAndersons to provide consultancy services for our audience. Now, I'm not sure what impression we painted that gave the impression that she helps with finding jobs, but unfortunately she does not, because she's not a recruitment agency. She's an immigration consultant. So what that means is that if you need somebody to help with your processes of migrating, study permit, work permits, PR application, rural renewal stream, she can definitely help you. So a lot of persons who have doubts about doing it on their own, you can reach out to Lori, and then Lori can definitely help you guys with your processes, right? That's what she's there to do as of right now. Now, hopefully in the future we're able to collaborate with a recruitment agency that can probably be a lot of assistance for our audience, provide a lot of assistance for our audience. But until then, guys, we just have to take it one step at a time. I'll continue to provide all the tips that I can to aid you guys in finding employment in Canada. But until then, that's all we can do right now, because everything in Canada is registered, and in order to be a recruitment agency, you have to be registered as well. So bear that in mind. Just continue being aggressive in finding that job. It's very difficult from out of country. Possible, but very difficult. So just keep going at it and keep your fingers crossed and have an open mind, and then just hopefully you learn something very soon, or within a reasonable timeline, right? But as of right now, Benson Immigration Consulting just provide consultancy services, both by providing advice and also processing documentation if that's what you require, okay? Not a recruitment agency, again, disclaimer, not a recruitment agency, so she doesn't provide jobs or help with finding jobs. And as you guys know, I am not an immigration consultant, and I am not a recruiter either. I cannot help with finding jobs either. There is no one apart from a recruitment agency who can give you any form of assurances of finding a job, right? Only thing I can do is to point you guys in the right direction. That I've been trying my best to do. Hopefully it's been useful, hopefully it's been helpful, but that's all I can do, is to just provide information from my own experience, point you guys in the right direction, and hopefully you guys are able to learn something using the advice. That's it, that's all. And I just wanted to say that. Alright, huge welcome to all the persons who have decided to subscribe to our channel, our new subscribers. Welcome to the DiAndersons family channel. And for all the old subscribers, the ones who have been here from day one, the ones who have been here since in the middle, and the ones who, you know, are silent as well, bless up. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. That's all I can say. Thank you for the support. It's really appreciated. It's not taken for granted. We appreciate each and every one of you guys taking the time out to hit that subscribe button, to hit that like button constantly, and the persons who always comment. Thank you for taking the time out to always comment, because it really helps out the channel, guys. And we appreciate you guys, the ones who are always there. Yo, you guys are amazing. That's all I can say. Something that we're doing as well, we're doing a Friday live now with Benson Immigration Consulting, where you guys actually get the opportunity to come onto the platform and ask your questions and get it answered by an actual immigration consultant, not just them telling you his experience anymore. That's being done every single Friday. As of now, time might change. We might go every other Friday, or we're just testing the waters a little bit, right? So if you think this is going to be helpful to you, stay tuned to the DiAndersons channel. We are going live every Friday night with Benson Immigration Consultant to share some information weekly, probably IRCC's update weekly, but most importantly, to give you guys an opportunity to ask those riveting questions that you need clarifications on, and you get it answered by a registered consultant who them stress, who the Andersons trust enough to partner with. As you guys know, we have been doing this channel for a while, and many consultants have reached out to us, but we haven't partnered with any before. So that kind of gives you guys an idea of the trust level that we have with this consultancy business. So you guys can definitely take our word for it. You will be taken care of, all right? That's all I can say where that is concerned. If you think the Friday Night Live is gonna be helpful to you, stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell so that you don't miss the notification when we're going live. Because there's sometimes when we just choose to go live random as well. So turn on your bell so that you don't miss those notifications, and share it to somebody who you know is interested in Canada as well. I might have some questions that they need answered, and just general information. Share it so that they can become a part of the conversation as well, right? Information gained, if not shared, is useless. So don't keep it to yourself. Share the good news. Hold on, I'll get some breakfast this morning. Hold on.
Now, Wendy, would you like to try our breakfast wrap today?
Morning, no, not a breakfast wrap, but I'll take a egg BLT croissant.
Okay, you want a combo?
I'll take a combo, and I'll take a medium frappuccino vanilla.
Okay, sure. Anything else?
No, that's it. Actually, I'll change it from vanilla to chocolate frappuccino.
Okay, sure. That's everything?
That's everything.
Okay, sure. Go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, guys, I don't know. When hunger strike, hunger has no warning. So, I have to just do what we have to do. I'm at Wendy's, by the way. I was thinking of going to Tim's, but Wendy's frappuccino have a little buzz. So, that's what I'm getting this morning. Guys, if you're on the Canadian dream, if you're on a Canadian journey and you hit a roadblock, don't let the roadblock stop you. Right? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Because it's not an easy journey. It's a tough journey to be on. The journey is hard, the journey is tough. And you're gonna get a lot of no's before you start getting yeses. So just bear that in mind and keep pushing towards it. Right? It's not for the faint of hearted. Don't share it with people who is negative, who's gonna tell you that it's not gonna work, and persons who are gonna discourage you from doing it because they probably know somebody or half the times hear of somebody who it didn't work for. That's not your story. Know why you are doing it. Know why you are doing it, and push with all of your might. That's all I can say. So I just got my food and my frappuccino. If you haven't tried the frappuccino yet, by the way, free promo for Wendy's to have a buzz, guys. Eat a shot. That is it. Anyways, guys, I'm almost at work right now. I'm gonna end the video right here. I just want to tell you guys thank you again for the support. Thank you guys for the love and for the encouragement. And yeah, if you haven't liked the video already, please just like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you guys later on today or tomorrow. I don't know. See you guys in the next video, alright? Peace out.